Hey guys, today I got an unboxing of the new Nike Mercurial Lightspeed shin guards matching the Vapor 8s. So here they are. They come both in the same package and all. They're not two different shin guards. They come with different colors normally. Well, not normally, but the new ones. Yeah. And these shin guards are so light. They're actually really comfortable, even though the back is really hard. Because they mold your shin, and yeah. I used to have the old versions of these Nike Mercurial Lightspeeds, and I had those for 2 years, and I just decided to get the new ones because I like these a lot. And these shin guards also come with a holding bag and what are these called? Shin guard sleeves. And the new shin guard sleeves have this kind of like rubber band around the top and bottom, so it kind of gives it a better fit on your leg because it holds it tighter to your leg. And yeah, these are both super nice color. These new Mercurial Lightspeeds actually look a little more glossy than the old ones, and I think they're a little bit wider than the old ones because this is a medium and my old ones are medium, and these look a lot wider, which is actually a good thing. So that's my unboxing. I will have more videos coming soon, so peace.